But before I do that, check out this vegan donut here. I mean, muffin. So is humanity going to be queued up now to because I'll live a lot longer. Simple as, you know, letting them know about I have to get to a safer location. Because I am what's living inside of humanity knows I'm planning on being vegan in my immediate future. That's why I keep witnessing is real. Alright, man, just gonna try to queue up other people who speak different languages. Try to stop it. That's scary. Diet. I need to defeat cancer though. And stuff. I need to touch 100. Right now I'm going to. Animal protein, according to what I had learned, turns on carcinogens, which is proven by looking at comparing a list of animals and their lifespans and their diet. The more vegan animals will have a longer lifespan typically, while the ones that don't live as long will typically die of cancer. Excuses though, huh? That's why I just gave him an excuse to kill me. It wasn't me, it was our entrails. Sorry that I would be so dramatic, use such words, but being famous isn't safe. So, they knew. I was surrounded by stuff before I was ready. Where am I gonna go, you know? I'd be able to get away from people. I'll freak out though once I find out. Hopefully not. Probably no, I don't know what to do. Rather faint. But yeah, funerals are made. Now they have a right to know. But who prevented that? For real they don't know, or we're just trying to frame the Mormon church? Well, Mormons can be scary. Scarier than they know. I am trying to install this here. Now that I'm in a different environment with a Wi-Fi from a different place. Whole Foods Market. Let's see if this works. So where did I get, how did I... Here we go with this thing again. Showed the wrong person. Got a messenger network. Let's go to Apple Store. How do I fix this? It's so ridiculous. This session timed out. Great. Craziness. It's a network issue. Something between me and whatever. But it seems to be. So here's my phone number. Session timed out again, same problem. And I can't create a different Mac. I can't create a different Mac account. That's just totally evil. Well, I should be able to somehow. I'm gonna use Apple. So I'll have to go to an Apple store. How about if I just make a new Apple account? How about if I go here? Can I create a new account? So should have been using Mac a long time ago. I don't care about Mormon. Get off. I mean, I do care, but I'm gonna use both, you know? It's stupid to just use one thing. It's stupid to have faith in one thing. You need them to compete for each other. There should be, I need another thing too. I need to be using Linux as well. I don't need to be, but it'd be nice if another country came up with their own thing, you know? Why they keep just working on either taking ours or, you know, their own version of something that we have instead of just making our own. The choice of other people. Oh, that's cool. You probably already have stuff more than I know. Let's see, how do I get this account? Wow, this is so stupid. I'm just gonna stop streaming. This cupcake sure is tasty though. I've got this. I like to add it to just like beans or something, just a can of beans or something. Just eat it how it is. It's really tasty. Probably shouldn't have did about this water stuff. There's my name though, my last name, Mead. So, get support. Just shows me a blank page. Cool. Let's go to Safari. Let's do it in Safari. Because it could be. Yeah, somebody over there. Okay, so. Safari can't open the page. I obviously need to use this more because of having problems until it works. I have to stop everything else I'm doing and just keep using it until I get it working. That's what I'm going to do.